We are here with Professor Enver Hasanoğlu, which is the elected president of the International Pediatric Association and UMEMPS General Secretary. We want to ask him a general opinion about these two main events held in Cagliari today.
Thank you very much. It was very nice to be here in this marvelous city. And the Congress organized very well, exactly. I want to thank the organizers, especially my friend Vasilios Fanos. He did very hard job to gather us here in this city. As you know, I'm Secretary General for UMEMPS. UMEMPS is about 29 countries with the societies. And the problem in our region, we have conflict and so many problems in our region. You know, the member of this society is Syria, Palestine, Iraq, Sudan, Yemen, Libya. We have so many problems of them. Even for these problems, we could gather here, we could do our Congress. It was marvelous and very successful. I want to thank all organizers and especially funds. Peter?
Thank you very much, Professor. And what about the great attention that in this Congress is devoted to the young specialists?
They are promoting the young pediatrician. We should allow them to pass us, and they are achieving more, and they are working harder than us because we are leaving our seats to them. They should learn from us and take the pediatry and the children's more round to round.
Okay? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.